take this hammer and you can set the nail in there, and then you can just...
What? No way. Fuck's sake. You're telling me that after all these years of me fucking smashing my goddamn fingers, that I could have just been sticking it in the backside of the fucking hammer and using that for setting nails? Fuck's sake. Well, let's fucking try this. Fuck. Ain't this gonna be handy? Off to the bolt bin. Alright, I know I got nails in here somewhere. There we go. That'll work. Okay, so I got my nail, my hammer, and just jam it in there. What? Fucking holds it. No fucking way. Fuck's sake. That's fucking handy. No more smashing up these. Fuck.